In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable the notification in the right corner that you're getting when you're opening your WhatsApp. Even if you close the WhatsApp, you're getting notification. So I'm going to show you how to turn this off. First, you need to go to your search bar and open the WhatsApp. After opening the WhatsApp, just go to the gear icon in the left corner. Then go to the notification. And here you will find the option called Show Banner Notification. So if this settings is turned to always, you can choose never. If you choose never option, this will never show your notification in your PC. But if you choose the only when app is open, it will only show you the notification when you're only using the app. So you can choose never or you can choose only when the app is open. But if you want to disable for every time, you can choose the never option. And that's it. This is how you can disable or turn off the notification for WhatsApp in your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.